Pet behaviorists help animals, especially cats and dogs, with behavior problems like aggression, anxiety, or destructive habits. They work with both pets and their owners to understand what's causing the issue and create a plan to improve the animal's behavior. This could involve training techniques, changes to the pet's routine, or helping owners handle certain situations differently. The job often means visiting homes or working in animal centers, and every case is different. In the UK, a pet behaviourist starting out might earn around £18,000 to £22,000 a year. With experience and specialist qualifications, this can rise to between £25,000 and £35,000. Those who work privately or run their own business can earn more, depending on how many clients they take on and the types of animals they work with. To become a pet behaviorist, most people study animal behavior, animal science, or a related subject at college or university. Some go on to do postgraduate courses to specialize further. It's also important to get hands-on experience, such as volunteering at animal shelters or working with vets or trainers. You need to be patient, calm around animals, and good at working with people as well as pets.